folks. It's bonfire night, 5th of November. And some brave souls are up here. There's Ray, he's the one who's the chairman, and he gets everything going, and we just got some temporary shelter because it's really raining quite, still coming down. I'm all in my waterproofs and my thermals, so I'm okay. But it looks as though we might not be having a barbecue. Depends when it stops raining. Fingers crossed. Steaks are in my bag. That's it, folks. Get back to you in a bit. Everyone's starting to arrive, folks. Got Kath sitting here all wrapped up. Think it's the middle of winter.
I'm prepared, Julie. I'm just prepared.
Yeah.
Okay, in a little bit. Do you want to have some hot chocolate on the
Won't be long before the fireworks go off.
Morgan, no, you're okay. Right. You alright? I'm staying here then.
I think it would. You just need something to go off.
It's soaking wet. The very front bit, I'm going to leave that as a dumping ground in here, but in the meantime, if I fill it up. You've done really well, you know. Let's do a civic cake going.
Well, folks, ours haven't started yet. We're still waiting.
Oh yeah, did you use it? No. I thought you was going to do some alcohol or something there, weren't you? Oh, sorry.
Hey up, folks, the fire's going. Let's look at that.
Look at the bonfire.
Yeah. Video every day.
Yeah, I'm going to push you up right there. Maybe we can fit up there. Yeah, we'll see.
Pardon? Yeah, it's picking up.
Oh, Arthur! Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, so you're not allowed near the bonfire?
It will get the fireworks, hopefully. Should be alright. That's the plan anyway.
What's that?
Sparklers. Honestly, I don't know. They walk around
Yeah,
like
I've not
that.
seen a word one all evening.
I think it's in it.
Circle.
Yeah. I know. I keep thinking there are fireworks going on.
The bonfire's up that way.
I keep thinking there are fireworks going on.
It's meant to be going to you. See that bit there? The light is there.
This way, Jacob. Turn around. Turn around that way. Yes, no, yes, no.
We've just got more people.
What are you doing? Having a look at the bomb?
We'll get you one in a moment. Amy? Amy, Miriam's got in a girl with one.
I'm just waiting for the fireworks to go up, folks. I think there's some technical difficulties at the moment.
How's the filming going, Julie? Yeah. Yes, look at that. Did you manage to get it?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Just look at that, folks. All the little ones are having
Well, they're
fun.
loving it, aren't they?
Yeah. Yep, there's another firework going about to go up.
Another one.
Catches them alright.
Yeah, it's 11. What do you think? The typical November. Yeah, that's it. You have to speak to Daddy. Daddy's the one to speak to. I'll see you later. Yes, okay. So walk through there. Yeah, okay, you have to.
See, you're the ones who were scared of it, aren't you?
What do you think then, Kath?
I think it's scary.
Show your best. Alright, Nigel.
Very well, thank you.
Yeah,
very well.
It's going that direction, not this direction. Just see all the shit through this.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah.
Is that our bag? Amy, is this our bag? Well, maybe it's because I'm conditioned to be reasonably safety conscious in my work. But I looked at the bonfire and I was like, that's probably not the best location. Well, the surroundings, I was like,
They're just investing over children.
Did you manage to get any of those fireworks?
No, not those, no.
Quite spectacular.
There were, yeah.
I think you'll have to get out because when they go up, you don't see them.
No.
you don't go to the bonfire.
I put in a year for another break. Only Italian.
Well, so I don't think we have.
So crows are alright outside.
Yeah. Very cross.
Is it? How long does it take to get to Sunday?
You usually get to stop in
We played the tune about 55. Not very big.
It's alright.
I don't want to be in it.
No, I used to take my lad there. Well, Cliff who loved for it, but then we went to ride when he was about 8 something like that. We played right up to start to playing for the meetings at the moment. Where he goes with that, but he definitely still keeps in touch with that. He's actually there now at the bonfire.
My husband was laying the car park there this morning.
He's definitely, I'll probably go back to provide the chance to
Yeah, so you can still play on Saturday. Well, that's not the bar.
Oh, he had his 21st about 6 weeks ago, he had that at
Oh, did it? Tell you?
definitely.
I think that's too late.
we should just keep blowing off. So let this lady go. Oh, you too.
Can I go up?
Can you see this, Cat?
Yeah, I'm watching them. They were brilliant a few minutes ago. They're quite nice now.
Can you see it on my screen?
Yeah. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Oh, that's really good on there. That, I think that's what do you
We have another one of those.
That's Star Wars. Star Wars.
I think that might have been the penultimate
I would have
one.
thought so. That's either Stony Cove or it's the Vipers, but I can't Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
So it might be the Vipers.
You go across the bridleway is more or less straight.
Yeah.
You go that way, so I think it's probably the Vipers.
They usually put a good display on.
Did you see the fireworks over there?
Yeah, I've got a lot of it filmed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's nice.